Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's have a look around. This car's got the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 5,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.